Hello, I'm Agus Yudistira, professional design graphics. I am an experienced freelancer specializing in graphic design, data entry, document management, SEO, and marketing. With expertise in using Word, Excel, PDF conversion, and effective SEO and marketing strategies, I am dedicated to delivering high-quality work. I am committed to helping clients achieve their goals with timely and effective solutions. Let's work together to bring your project to life. Biography. My life journey and experiences reflect various aspects of my biography, from the beginning of my career as a gemstone cutter and polisher to my skills in graphic design, SEO, marketing, and data entry. All of this encompasses my professional achievements, the skills I have developed, as well as my personal values and goals. It serves as a reminder of my journey, linking the past with future aspirations, and motivating me to continue growing.